After experiencing approval delays on TikTok, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check content guidelines. Review TikTok's community guidelines and content policies to ensure your submission complies with all rules. This can help you identify any potential issues that might be causing the delay. Step 2. Update your app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. Outdated versions may have bugs or issues that could affect the approval process. Check your app store for updates and install them if available. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve any temporary glitches. Go to your device settings, find TikTok in your app list and select the option to clear the cache. Restart the app afterward. Step 4. Contact support. If delays persist, reach out to TikTok's support team. Use the in-app support feature or visit their help center online to submit a ticket detailing your issue. Provide as much information as possible to expedite their response. Step 5. Be patient and follow up. After contacting support, give them some time to respond. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider following up on your request to ensure it is being addressed. By following these steps, you can effectively address approval delays on TikTok and get back to creating content. Remember to stay updated with TikTok's policies to avoid future issues.